we are going to show you a beautiful group of fabrics. These are either Khaite, which is kite fabrics, or Armani, and they're either silk or viscose. This first one has this is Khaite. It's got a beautiful drape to it. It's perfect for pants, jacket, just a beautiful piece of fabric. It's very, very pretty. It is a viscose poly. It is a woven. It doesn't really have much stretch to it all. I mean, a little bit of give, but it's really beautiful. The drape is incredible. This whole wine concept, the wine collection, the raspberry is just really, really popular. This is an Armani. It's 100% silk. It's a woven. The drape is incredible on it. Look, when you hold it like that, how skinny it is. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. Lovely, lovely. And then this is a fuchsia, which it goes with everything here. It's 100% silk, and I'm going to show you where it's got this great stretch to it. I mean, really a lot of stretch. It's beautiful. So that is a stretch silk, and the color is fuchsia, and you can see it's a little bit sheer, but like a dual blouse. That dual blouse we have, I think it's $325. $325 would be gorgeous in this fabric. And you know, the holidays are coming. We're going to want these beautiful blouses. This is what this is for. This is 100% silk. This is Khaite again. Look at the drape on that. Just stunning. On the new blouse is $626. It would be absolutely beautiful. On the new blouse we just released, which is $616, this would be absolutely stunning, especially for the holidays. And look at this. This brings in all the colors of the fuchsia here. You can see that's in it, but it's a knit. It's a viscose knit. It's got all these colors in it. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. It's got stretch in both directions, not more in one direction than the other, but it's just got great drape, viscose, and it's pretty. It's really pretty. And then, oh, feel this. Oh my goodness, I know you can't feel it, but look at the color in that. Beautiful pair of slacks, a dress, a jacket. Would just be stunning. 100% silk, woven, just really, really pretty. Really beautiful piece of fabric. And you know, it's like the best fabrics at the best possible prices. They're not the cheapest fabrics you'll ever buy, but they will be the best fabrics you ever buy. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.